So why you are lazy? Why are you lazy? Now, sometimes you've asked yourself many times, oh, why am I so lazy? Why am I lazy? So now in this video, I want to share with you why you are lazy. Now, being lazy can be intentional and sometimes it can be unintentional. You see, so but you want to understand why you are lazy. Okay, now if it is intentional, say maybe if it is just like something that you are just doing by yourself, you just being lazy, you know it, you want it, you're doing it, you know why you are doing that, why you are lazy. So why you're lazy, number one could be if you don't have goals, if you don't have, okay, let's start with drive. If you don't have drive in life, okay, if you don't have desire, if you don't, so all these are connected: desire, drive, and goals. So if you don't have anything big, kind of big thing in your life that you're pursuing, kind of big goal that you're pursuing, you may be lazy, because really there's no desire, there's no drive, there's no goal, there's nothing, there's no big task ahead of you that you want to achieve. So you just feel like, you know what, let me just be there, so you just be lazy, right? So another reason can be that you're not in the right environment. If you're not in the right environment plays a lot of roles in your behavior, your habits, your mindset, pretty much a lot of things about you. So if you're in the wrong environment, like if you're in the environment of people who are lazy, you also will be lazy. Very well. You will be lazy. Yes. If you're in the wrong environment, or if you're in the environment of lazy people, right? The third reason why you can be lazy is if, now this is also connected to the second reason, if you say you have parents or guardians or people who are not maybe looking after you or are not even concerned about you, okay? People who maybe you are not responsible to. Now this is important and maybe a little bit different from second reason, because you can even be in the midst of people who are hardworking, who are serious, but if you don't have problem with people who you are committed to, or people who you maybe feel responsible to, or say maybe you have to do something for or whatever, so you may be lazy, right? If for instance you have parents who are like on your neck, not like maybe pressing you, but parents maybe who just want to make sure that you do well, they are giving you attention and all that, so you may not be lazy, because you always want to be committed to them and feel responsible to them, and do something for them, right? So in that case you may not be lazy. Now let's look at the other scenario why being lazy may not be intentional. So if you are lazy and you feel like it's not intentional, so why are you lazy? Now this may be like maybe you are not maybe being like fully aware of yourself. When there's no full awareness of yourself, you can unintentionally feel lazy, because you don't know your system, your body, your maybe your personality, a lot of things about yourself, self-awareness. So if you don't know a lot about these things, you can shortchange yourself in that aspect, because you will just be lazy and you will not know the reason why. You just wonder, like, why am I lazy? Like, why am I lazy? Because there's no full awareness, there's no full self-awareness yet about yourself, right? So you just kind of feel lazy. And maybe if maybe for instance you're kind of person that maybe work very well under pressure, so if you don't put yourself under pressure to work well, then you may be lazy. On the other hand, you may be the kind of person who don't like to work under pressure. So you want to make sure, okay, you know what, you don't want to put too much pressure on yourself, so that you make sure you work very well, right? So this is very important. And the other reason why you can be lazy unintentionally is also when you don't have people who you are not responsible to, or maybe if you don't have some goals or something that you're working on. So if you don't have that, like some task before you, yeah, you can be lazy. You'll be lazy unintentionally, because really there's nothing to do. So you'll just be there, being on your own, doing your thing, and there's no something to task your brain to work on and all that, right? But there are always things to work on if we know what we want, if we know our purpose, if we know our assignment here on earth. There's always something to do. Very important. There's no free time on earth. Okay, so yeah, so those are the reasons why you are lazy. If you have other thoughts, I like to get your thoughts in the comment section. So please put down your thoughts, your ideas about this topic in the comment section below. All right, so please don't forget to like and subscribe and share the video with your friends. Thanks so much for watching, and bye for now.